You probably clicked on this video because you're broke and trying to find a way to make money. Well, I don't gatekeep, so I'm gonna show you guys the perfect method. As you can see, I've been using this method for about a year now, and I'm up to $3,000 to $4,000 a month at this point, and I'm only 16 years old and I'm still in high school. This method is pretty much completely passive, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do it. So what I do to make all this money at such a young age is called reselling. So basically, I buy products like these one-to-one AirPods. I buy all kinds of different ones. Those are Pro 2s, these are Pro 3s, these are the original AirPods. I sell all of these electronics and also other products. I'm gonna show you guys these ones. Move some of these doors out the way. So yeah, I also sell designer clothing like these Eric Emanuel shorts and these spider hoodies. I do all the different colors in them. You might be wondering, well, how do you make money on these? Well, it's because I'm able to buy these products for so cheap. I can get these AirPods for $30. I get these Eric Emanuel shorts for $60. I get this for $80. And I'm able to sell these two I'll be able to sell for up to $250 to $300. These I'm able to sell for up to like $150, $120-ish. And so the main thing that allows you to make so much money from this method is the profit margins. You're able to get these products for so cheap that you have high profit margins. You're making so much profit on each sale. So what I use to get these products is called a vendor or a supplier. They're basically the people that make these products and sell them for super cheap. And it's really hard to find a good one. I've been searching for so long, but I'm gonna save you guys time today, and I went ahead and built a whole website for you guys that has all the best one-to-one suppliers on it. These are all the suppliers that I use personally, also some of my friends use that also resell. And I went ahead and listed this, first link in the description. Okay, so now that you have a basic understanding of how reselling works, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what you can do to get started right now. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is go ahead and choose a product that you wanna start with. I recommend starting with AirPods. If you don't have that much money to start off with, you can do these. These are only around $30 a pair, and you can resell these for up to $120 to $150. If you have a lot more money to start off with, I would recommend getting into Eric Emanuel shorts or spider hoodies. They have much higher profit margins, and they aren't as saturated as AirPods are. So once you decided on the product that you want to start with, go ahead and go back to that site that I told you guys about earlier. Go ahead and pick up your supplier there. Then just order your product. Then once your product arrives, all you're going to want to do is go ahead and download all these apps right here. Facebook Marketplace, eBay, OfferUp, Mercari, and Depop. Any of those will work. However, I recommend making listings for your products on every single app, as you will get more offers and sell quicker. So one of the most important parts to selling these is making good, high quality listings on those apps. You're gonna wanna go to my Discord in the link description. I have a whole entire page with product pictures you can use. High quality product pictures, as you can see, look at these in like the grass backgrounds, these are dope. You can use all these pictures for completely free, and they're in my Discord in the description. As you can see, I have all the products that I have on the website. AirPods, AirPod Maxes, iPhones, product glasses, Eric Emanuel shorts, easy slides, spider hoodies, denim tears, even colognes. And also I'm getting into Rolexes. I'm starting to buy some Rolex watches. They've been doing really good. You can sell those for a lot of money. So real quick, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I do to make my listings. So I actually have this blocked because it shows my address, but I use the pictures from my Discord, as you can see, for AirPod Maxes. So boom, boom, you wanna throw all those high quality pictures on there. So in the listing, you're gonna wanna use these. So you're gonna wanna make, you can choose whatever price you want. If you're not getting any sales, you can lower the price a little bit. Just make the category, but one of the most important parts right here, condition, you want that to be used like new. If you list them as brand new, these products, Facebook Marketplace will take your product down. I've had it happen to me a lot of times. It's happened to my friends as well. You have to list your product as used like new. You can throw in your description that it is brand new, still in the box though. They won't take you down for that. It just has to list it there. Just make it a nice, like, minimalistic description. White AirPod Max is brand new. Everything's still in the box. Price is negotiable. Okay, that's what I do. Apple is the brand, and that is pretty much it. Then from there, you can go ahead and set up the shipping on there. I'm gonna have to blur some of this out, but set up your shipping. Choose your shipping method. So whenever someone buys it from out of state, you can ship it straight to them. But yeah, you can see all these sales I made in pretty much the past like few weeks, and overall this is around like $2,000 to $3,000 in sales right here, and it's just crazy. It's so easy to do. So once you have got your product, made your listing, then you're just gonna want to wait for offers. Okay, once you get an offer, if it's an in-person meetup in your area, you want to make sure you go to a public place to meet up. Like, for example, you can go to like a Walmart parking lot. It doesn't really matter. You can go anywhere, like a Starbucks. Just want to make it a public place so they don't, obviously, it's kind of dangerous to meet up at your house if you're selling reps. Plus, I've had a few people that actually ask me at the meetup or if they're reps. And I told them, yeah, they're reps. And they still bought them anyways because I'm selling them for like 50% of the price that they go for brand new. So there it is. That's pretty much it. That's all you have to do to make this much money every single month. It's so easy. So now that you've received your product and made your listing, now all you have to do is wait for offers. When you get an offer, just talk to them. And if they want to negotiate, that's up to you if you want to change the price a little bit. Then all you have to do is give them the product. It's just that easy. And once you sell your first product, all you have to do is take the profits from that, and you can pretty much double it every single time. So when you sell 1 pair of AirPods, you can then buy 2 pairs of AirPods. And when you sell those 2 pairs of AirPods, you can buy 4 pairs of AirPods. Then when you sell those 4, you can buy 8. And it's just doubling profits every single time. Then when you feel comfortable, you can start switching to other products like these. I also sell on StockX and Goat for these, and I have a full guide in my Discord on how to do that. Those make me so much money, it's crazy. Because of how real these look, I'm actually able to send these into StockX and Goat, and they're able to authenticate them. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. These are some shorts from my supplier. As you can see, they look super real, and they even have an authentication tag inside. Hold on one second, As you can see, they have an authentication tag. They can go ahead and scan that, and it comes back to the Eric Emanuel website. There's absolutely no flaws in these products at all. It's crazy. I don't even know how they are able to make these so real. And with that being said, that's pretty much exactly how I resell. Make sure to go ahead and subscribe because I'm going to be putting out a video every single weekend on reselling. I'm going to be helping you guys out along the way. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any questions at all, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and see you next weekend.